Do you think Dukascopy as a financial platform is trustworthy? Do you know the evaluation of Dukascopy in terms of advantages and disadvantages? Are you looking for a quick and straightforward way to open and verify your new bank account with ease? Is Dukascopy a safe and reliable company? In this video, we will thoroughly explore and learn the following concepts and skills that are essential for understanding the topic. Dukascopy is a Swiss online trading bank. Its headquarters is located in Switzerland, offering services including Forex trading, binary options, gold investments, and CFDs to its clients. The company was founded in 1998 and over the years has successfully managed to open offices in several foreign and Arab countries, including major business hubs like Dubai. The company seeks to gain a significantly large customer base by effectively managing a reputable bank with the same name. In addition to the licenses obtained from all major regulatory authorities worldwide. Customer reviews are quite mixed when it comes to assessing the available deposit and withdrawal options at the platform. Customer support is available 24/7 on all business days throughout the year. It can be reached by phone or you can request a callback as well as contact through email and live chat. To register for an account, visit the Dukascopy Bank website. You can easily download the mobile app for either Android or iOS devices from their respective stores. Please enter your mobile number to receive a verification code via SMS text message. Enter the code. The next step is introductory messages about the application. Click on the Next button to enter the application. Enter your name and referral code if available. The initial step in the registration process is to photograph the passport. Please enter your email and home address details. Select the appropriate language to use in the application. It will be the primary language of communication when interacting with customer support representatives. Please specify the interests for which you registered your account in the bank. You'll receive a verification code via email. Enter the code. Please specify your current profession as it will serve as the primary basis for opening your new bank account. Define the nature of the work and then provide a brief description of your job. Keep the options listed below exactly as they are. Choose the country where you pay taxes. If you have a valid tax identification number, you need to enter it accurately. Click Next. Read terms, then submit. The final and crucial step is verification through the recorded video. First, scan the passport photo carefully, and then you need to initiate the verification process through a video call to confirm your identity. It is a convenient 24-hour service that you can freely use at any time, day or night. Click on Start. Keep your passport ready for the call. Select the passport option to use as the activation document. Condensed text. You need to upload a passport photo. Click the plus button located at the top right corner of the screen to add the picture to your gallery. The bank call will start. Press Start. A friendly bank employee will politely ask you to point the camera at your face and then at your open passport. The employee will speak to you fluently in the language you chose, including Arabic, to ensure clear communication and understanding. Now you need to wait patiently for the approval email. The message will be sent in approximately an hour from now. Click on the highlighted word link to get a temporary password for accessing your account securely. The word will arrive shortly as an email message. This word is temporary for entry. After that, you can change it. After logging in, you need to enter the temporary password provided, then create and enter your new password and click on Confirm. This is the main control panel within the account. Click Open Account and select your preferred currency. Select the dollar option and then press Confirm. To deposit funds into this account, click on the Deposit button and then select the specific account you created. You will be sent to this page. Additionally, select the dollar option and then click on Proceed. You need this information for depositing or sending money to your account via another person or an external site, but exclusively in US dollars only. You can easily create another account with a different currency for your deposits by simply clicking on the Open Account button on the platform. One of the most important services offered by the bank is B2B exchange, which involves selling digital currencies for dollars. Click on your name at the top of the screen to find your personal information and important things you need to know. Maximum sum receivable within 3 months. It is $3,000, which is a default limit. However, you can increase this default limit through a request for an increase in the limit. Enter your upper limit prediction in the field below and then press the request button. A comprehensive set of documents, including detailed income sources or various payment bills, will be requested for review. Regarding bank fees, account opening and monthly maintenance are completely free of charge. Deposits are usually free, but withdrawal fees vary depending on the method used. For transfers from the cryptocurrency trading platform, deposits are free of charge, but we impose a 0.5% commission on all withdrawal transactions. For deposits made using credit cards, there will be a 2.5% processing fee if you are located outside the European Union. The fee for making withdrawals is €1 plus 2.5%. You can also withdraw funds and deposit money through Skrill or Neteller. The table outlines the bank card fees. It's time to re-establish the rule of access to ensure fairness, transparency, and equal opportunities for everyone involved. To access the core meaning, consistently remove redundant repetitions. The essential information here is simply to access. To access the system, you need to obtain the proper credentials, which include a username and a secure password. Once you have these credentials, you can log in through the designated portal. If you encounter any issues during this process, please contact technical support for assistance. Make sure to keep your login information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly updating your password is also recommended to enhance security. Ensure that you follow all the necessary steps and guidelines to maintain the integrity of your account and the system's overall security. The original text appears to be a repetition of the phrase "to access" without providing any specific context or additional information. Therefore, the condensed version of this text, while maintaining the original meaning, would simply be "to access." This succinctly captures the essence of the repetitive content.